Hey, what's good? It's your Barry Commentals and namuntlha ilok reacta ka ngoma leyi nga Xikweleti made by K-Nice. I think it's from Bushbuck Ridge. So someone who send the link there. But I've seen this guy before. Someone ang posting aka WhatsApp status. So I like ntsake ngopfu kuva nhlangana na yo this thing. Like shout out to the person lang asendela yo. So without further ado guys, as nen ku react direct la Xikweleti. Ile bush la, I think ile bush. And then la kuna vito mara no so good. Plaza. Oh, what Plaza? I've heard about this place. So if you don't know, because the next step so like with me, I'm from PHB, I'm from Palabora. So Ngloya Bush, I think when I was very young. So Xikweleti ibitara ngoma. I wonder ku Xikweleti session sendle. I'm very like excited to find out. Oh, the piano and the bass line, the like dark bass line, so far it's nice. And the bells, they're nice, they're sharp. Okay, I think that's the producer tag. Yeah, I think it's Kaiser Beats. So Kaiser Beats, I think he made the beat, and then also Angaba actually a producer in It Happens. Nah, bruh, I challenge that. And then also this beat look on need for that split second, it sounds like ambitious type beats. You know, this thing happens, bro. Like sometimes the like decisions let go at the end, like whatever decisions you made, like sometimes no offense they like challenges and you feel like like bad decisions, you really should go back to school. It happens to like all of us, and then this is like so like K-Nice, and then this is his way to like expressing how he was feeling when he made the song. Bro, he's hitting these notes now without trying hard. His voice like low, but then very nice, bro. Or more than the Kanzi Xikweleti, that's crazy. Like, so in a way, like if you don't go to school, you might end up like that's what he's saying, and it happens, bro. Life is crazy, man. Bro, he's actually a good like trapper. He's a good trapper, man. Like the notes later to back up, they're really nice. Man, these are the people which in Tonga rapper, they should be somewhere. But because we are from where we are here in Limpopo, bro, like it's hard for us for like people, like talented people here in Limpopo to get recognition. So people like K-Nice, bro, like K-Nice, people like K-Nice, people what deserve that recognition which they're not getting, bro. And then people here are support, bro. Like I don't know what you have to do to get support. You have to like also suicide useless. That's how they like support you, even though they don't really support you. Work support you like normal. Like it's crazy, man. So the reason Katonga rap nenga rate is like it's cause like some words and if this like what's kuku, I have no idea. So like that's why I don't really like react everything. This is blah blah. I can react like on the mixing and mastering, which I was supposed to be doing. Mara, this song to work with it's like kinda emotional and nice. So I would like direct up like beats, mastering and everything in lyrics where I can.
Zikhome sotala nzivukuli zidiwa mbilwini isikokovi kubiwa nkalangi la nkosini senza khongela menvuyela hosini swilo silokutikeni maye vari sifamba hi nkarhi na layeni suke akayani maketa loko ni fika va ni lahlela mayeni swila swi olovangi na zamazama mara ni kume mali n'we va le hansi nga kholomani ni ta famba ni ya phahla le goromana umayeni wana movha ndzi khandziya tekisi aka tiko se nhundzuka xihlekisi mana mpahla ndzi hava na kepesi na buruku ndzi fasa hi pekesi se swa tika vutomi bya mina nhleke
Kenite is someone which like just entertainment that they really should explore like this Tsonga culture using people like him, you know, like he deserves like a good deal, bro. Like, you know, this is like the ambitious sound what like super specialized so someone like this is the one which they can come into the Tsonga market. Yeah, and this is like a nice cause it's really dope, man.
Keta kuyela xikolweni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti se swa tika vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela xikolweni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti a vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela mayeni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti a vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela mayeni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka.
So I'm limited kurintwa sound because I'm using my little sister's earphones. I don't currently have the headphones right now, so I don't know, these like can't even hear the bass, so I won't be reacting like mostly Mara. I'll do more of his like reactions. I'll do more of Kenite's reactions videos.
Time show panda le moye bendifana na homewash bayen jamara manhloko mezenzo gaye baka ina lesiwe masungulo ndala sangu mwana mane umula mzazilava
track le producer like God, like too much, man. It sounds good.
utsika we mane vitava
like you producer God, like, it sounds good. Like I have nothing to say for the first time in blah blah ngof, you know. When it comes to production I talk a lot, but then this time I have nothing to say because this is exceptional. This is nice, man. Let's can say let's super for like it's not arch. You understand?
Nzifambe ngopfuseni nzulanzulana matiko menvuya mamboni avanvoni menziteke swimbaluni ya goli jozi mavoni nginaka vanvoni mina noro ukulu n'wana mane n'wame nge swivoni se swa tika vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela xikolweni amovhanta khandiya xikolweni ayindlonta aka
so that one waiting again cause like I feel like there's the like storyline here ne uzame swin'wana in life and then it didn't work out, and then right now so kuzavula ku uta khanja movha xikweleti na yindlu utaka xikweleti. So I think right now letting again trying to like find out what's happening in his life and then how can you better his life. I think that's what's happening right here. So man, the track is nice, man. The beat is fire. Shout out to the producer and Rebello at the beginning. You know, producers, this is what we should be doing. So shout out to you for like setting a good example for us.
Senza tika vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela xikolweni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti a vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela mayeni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti a vutomi bya mina nhleketa kuyela mayeni amovhanta khandiya xikweleti ayindlonta aka xikweleti.
So beat clear, you know, piano layer, the bell, and what else? So like the main things like a piano, na belelia, and then the percussions and drums. So yeah, guys, that was Kenite's Xikweleti. It's nice. What I have to say on this song? Nothing. I have nothing to say. This is the best song I've heard today. No cap, like and then loko xilo xi rhandza you should show support, but I think in subscribing already, so yeah, loko xilo xi rhandza you should show support. So shout out to K Nice, the beat maker, and then if someone else produced it, shout out to them. I really like their music, and I'll be reacting to more of his stuff soon. Oh, and then like the reason this looks like this now, it's like it's late. I decided to do this video today because tomorrow I have other videos to do, so you know, just to balance things. So my bad. But then if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And then comment if you have any thoughts, or like comment any like music you want me to like check out next. So, and this your boy Rico Mentals. I'm signing out. I'll see you all next time. Peace.